Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, we got a club car here. And I'm going to explain to you how a V-Glide works. If you look at it here, let me get to the other side of the car. You got your V-Glide here, and what's wrong with this one is guy would put batteries in it, and he hit it and broke how it mounts there, because it is a messed up situation. Breaks the plastic. Once you do that, it's over. But if you look at it though, when you hit the gas, you activate your micro switch. Therefore, that activates the solenoid and the car runs. Now, the way it operates is, the farther you go up with this here, the faster the car goes. Now, if you look at that there, you see how it's burnt there? See how it's burnt? And what that's caused by, if you look at the imprint of the wiper contact there, you can see that by the imprint of it, it's only like that there. So it's half on and half off. And what that does is spark. And you can see there. Yeah, just like that is where it lines up at. That's what's called a spark, because it's half on and half off. You got a void in the middle, so it's arcing across it. Now, if you want one and you want it to go faster, always make sure that when you hit the gas, that that's going like that wide open. All right? Because if it's going like this, then your car running half speed, or like this half speed. And the way you adjust it here, you got this rod here. This is your pedal rod. When you hit the gas, when you hit the gas here, you see it go in and out. So when you hit it, make sure it's actually opening this up all the way, all right? And another trick too, to help you out here, man. If you do replace a micro switch, it's a 3-prong micro switch. Make sure you have it on the top and the bottom, because if you don't, it will activate and deactivate different. You gotta click when it should and then close when it shouldn't, or open when it shouldn't. So I want to show you that, man, little tips. I'm about to change her out, man, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna right here put that on there. Now there's a couple different kinds, man. One's got the resistors behind this on the back side. This don't have the resistors. This is the old style 93, what is it, 92 model. It's got the resistors here for speed. On a newer state than this, you had the resistors built in the pop box, and then they went from that to the controller up there. But all right, man, I just want to show you that, man, how to adjust your speed if you have one that has a V-Glide. Make sure to open it all the way up, and if not, this is what you get. And you can see on his wiper arm, can you see it? I'm trying to get you a good picture of it. You can see there it's kind of arced a little bit, but look at it there. See in the middle where there's nothing at? That's a clean spot, because it's arc ain't making contact. But all right, y'all stay tuned, man. If you got any questions, man, comment below. I help you troubleshoot it, help you fix your golf cart. And YouTube started this new thing now where you can hype a video if you like it, man. Let's hype them. Let's get them out to more people, man. Watch another video. Hey, hey, hey.